Hey guys, Dingo Nerd here. Just nerding out about my Civivi Elementum pocket knife. It was given to me by Glock Ninja, and I've just been enjoying it this weekend. Just kind of flicking it while watching, movies or something. It's a really, I guess, sleek, and it's sublime. I like the color. I don't know what color it is, but it's very subdued. And here I'm just practicing cutting paper, getting better at it. But it's like I said, it's sleek. The tiles have a texture on it, but it's kind of hard to, I don't know, manipulate because it's so thin. This is my Smith & Wesson Tactical Ops, I guess it's called. It's pretty big and it's crude. There's no assisted anything on it. You have to force it open. But it's been a great knife. I've been carrying it every day. It's a real workhorse, and it's only like $15. So, if anything happens to it, I wouldn't shed a tear about it. But it's thick, and I like how it fills my hand. And I've just been kind of thinking about where I'm going to put the Civivi in my rotation of previously one knife. But I think the Tac Ops will probably stay with my 511 strike pants whenever I'm wearing those. And then when I'm at work, in my work clothes, I'll carry the Civivi. Civivi seems more like a gentleman's carry knife, whereas the Smith & Wesson Tac Ops is definitely a hardier knife. You can see that this will be my non-work carry, just kind of my everyday clothes. And then the Civivi, I think, goes better. Like I said, more of a gentleman's carry when I wear my work clothes. So anyways, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments, questions below, and I'll see you next time.